All right, everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. I have a very cool stock I want to share with you that I believe will go higher. In fact, it has already gone a bit slightly higher than the last time I talked about it. The previous time I actually talked about this stock was through a short video, right? 30 seconds, 40 seconds is the tops that it was. And I explained really quick why I thought I was, bullish on this company, why I thought it would go higher. But obviously, that's nothing you have to. I think analyzing it, reviewing it, or doing something more than 30 seconds is better, right? And so that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to explain all that to you. Before I get to that, I am going to share with you real quick information right now and of things that are going on in my Discord. My Discord is PreMarket Watch. Let's get started. All right, today, everyone. Now you see here 3:16 p.m. That's Greek time, 8 hours ahead of New York. So go 8 hours back from 3:16 p.m. and you're into pre-market. And today I told everyone about PRZO, and as you can see, well, the stock went up to 277 within 10 minutes after that, 15 minutes after that. So the gain was insane. How about this? Ticker symbol CALT, which was a YouTube video that I did for everyone on YouTube. The stock was trading at 1603 actually in after hours when I made the video. It is right now at 1773, but it actually had even hit 20 bucks just recently after my videos. So easy, that was really good money someone could have made on that. On my Discord also on August 3rd, I told everyone about Oxbridge Acquisition Corp. I posted a screenshot of some news. The title here of what's going on. So the news was that the SPAC had announced postponement of extraordinary general meeting of shareholders. In fact, this isn't actually the first time I talk about Jet.ai. The last time I talked about them was through a short video, and that was back in 2020 when they were still a privately listed company that you could have bought on a private exchange market for 70 cents a share, guys. 70 cents. That was it. 70 cents. And I had given step by step on how someone could have done that, and even how you could transfer those shares to NASDAQ. Had you bought it at 70 cents then when you watched my video, the stock rate right now is obviously at over $11, and that's insane gains. So currently I said that OXAC trades at 11.34. That was back on August 3. And I said that it may go down towards $10.50. In fact, the next day it went down to $10.50. And if someone wanted to from my Discord, they could have entered at $10.50. And the stock today, as I'm doing the video right now, is at $15.30. Plenty of multiple chances that you could have made money on this particular stock, even back from 2020, like I said, at 70 cents. Now, the other thing is on my Discord, guys, about ticker symbol GNE on July 26, 2023. I said that I picked up some shares of GNE at 1387. I always pre-announce to everyone when I will buy something. I don't just say, hey, I bought this at that price. No, people know ahead of time what I want to buy and at what price, right? So they knew ahead of time that I would be buying this at 1387, and when 1387 hit on July 26, I picked it up. Now, the stock is trading right now as I'm doing the video at 1471, which is insane gains. In fact, I'm not even going to sell it, to be honest, because this stock has zero debt. This company has a zero debt. So why sell? There's no point. I might as well keep it. Or how about ticker symbol LEU on June 15, 2023, when I said at $34.72 that it is a buy, I was able to sell it at $41.86. Or how about on June 14, 2023, guys, at $6.25, I called MPAA. I sold it at $7, but guess what? It's at $9.40 right now as I'm doing the video. And all that on Bull Market Watch. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. So the stock I want to mention in this video and talk about it in a more detail than the screenshot that you see of the short that I had made is ticker symbol GNW. When GNW was at 586, I said, guys, that it would be a buy for me, and I'm very bullish on it. Well, the company is an insurance company. It provides insurance products in the United States and internationally. This company operates in 3 segments: Enact, U.S. life insurance, and runoff. Now, I said Enact, and you might say Enact, a publicly traded company. Yes, we'll get to that in a little bit. So the Enact segment offers mortgage insurance products, primarily insuring prime-based, individually underwritten residential mortgage loans. The U.S. life insurance segment offers long-term care insurance products, and the runoff segment includes variety, annuity, variable life insurance, corporate-owned life insurance. The stock now is at 622. When I did the YouTube short video, it was at 586. So 622 right now, right? I think this is pretty cool. It's rising, and the earnings are coming up, right? So we do have earnings on this coming out, and I think that it's going to do well. Now, obviously, guys, nothing is perfect, right? There's always risks and there's always negatives. I'm not going to paint the rosy picture. In 2022, G&W revenue was $7.5 billion, which is a lot, but it's a decrease of 4% compared to the previous year, which was $7.83 billion. And the earnings were $609 million, which was a decrease of 32.6%. Fine, sounds negative, but to be honest, since 2017, this company hasn't been in the red. It's been, the earnings have been green. So to me, that's a really good thing. So one of the main appeals for investing in G&W right now is its stake. In fact, its huge stake in Enact Holdings. It has a really big stake. G&W has market cap of around $2.4 billion right now and over $3 billion stake in Enact Holdings. If you put the math together, something doesn't make sense, right? Their assets are more than the market cap, and Enact Holdings is huge. It's a great company. So going forward, in my opinion, G&W has to go, the stock has to rise. This is just my opinion. I believe the stock has to rise. It is undervalued. In my opinion, like I said, don't take that as financial advice. I believe that I don't stand to have much risk by investing in this stock. Enact Holdings right now is trading at $29.15. This is the company that G&W has $3 billion stake in. And insurance stocks in general have been on fire. Insurance leads the pack in this week's best performing financial stocks, right? And that was on August 5th, 2023. Now, I knew insurance stocks would do well, and I don't just say it. I'll back it with a proof. On December 30th, 2022, right? In my Discord, I said insurance, in my opinion, is the sector to focus on and try to get into it from now. If you go back to December 30th, 2022 and look at most of the major players in the insurance sector, they're trading higher. The fiscal year in 2022 saw G&W announce the achievement of its debt target of $1 billion, which is very significant. This massive reduction in debt is obviously going to work into returning capital for the shareholders. If we look at the investment portfolio holdings for the company, they say that we're well-positioned portfolio with no exposure to Silicon Valley Bank or Signature Bank. Most of it's basically in fixed maturities, and we can see here by sector. It's actually well balanced all over the place and not too much on one sector. Revenue growth has been sort of a roller coaster ride, as you can see, and we can go all the way back to 2014 all the way to 2022. If we look at the total liabilities at 86.4 million, net cash to debt is at 106 million. The net income is nice, it's positive, right? And it's been positive since 2017, and that's really good and amazing in my opinion. As far as news, 6 days ago, G&W has announced that they will postpone their second quarter 2023 earnings. And also 6 days ago, they announced $350 million expansion of existing share repurchase program. All right, everyone. So G&W 622, I still believe it can go a lot higher. I hope that previously in the beginning of the video where I showed you what's going on in my Discord that you like that. If you want to join us, the Discord link will be in the comment section below. And with all that being said, take care, everyone.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.